our channel.
Welcome back to another family reaction video. As you have known, American Idol will be starting this week, and these are like previews. I think this already started last weekend.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but I found it in American Idol YouTube channel, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna be reacting to Arthur Gunn, but his name is Dibesh.
Dibesh.
But he goes to, his
like a
Korean
screen
name,
Yeah, like
Arthur Gunn, and he's from Nepal. Namaste.
Namaste.
So, yeah, he auditioned. What's that? The bus that goes around. He's from Kansas, so he was not like invited to audition like that. So he went to the bus and auditioned, so that to go here. So
Right.
he was not pre-picked. You know, for this singing contest, some contestants are already pre-chosen.
Yeah.
So they were chosen to go to the audition like that. But he did the long way audition. So,
nice.
right? And we're going to be reacting to his second song of the audition. There was a first song and a second song. So this is the second song of his audition. So if you're new to our channel,
Please subscribe our videos if you're all club family. Click the bell button to be notified. We also have Facebook and Instagram. Follow us, chat with us, and
connect with us. And also, guys, we appreciate your support. Thank you very much. And, welcome to the family. And I'm JR.
I'm Zay.
I'm Mika. I'm JJ, the Spider-Man boy.
You're still Spider-Man boy. All right, guys, are we ready?
Ready.
So I'm just wondering what kind of voice, because he's from Nepal. What kind of song he's gonna do, right? So
Right.
let's see. Okay, so I think he's going to, because he's from Kansas now, he's going to the round of country music, right?
It's like a...
Maybe. Let's see.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before.
I didn't expect that voice from here. Like a big deep voice from a small right person. But the tone is good. It's really like country music.
There's like a roar
Mhm.
in his voice.
Storm, I know.
Yes!
But it's been coming down for some time.
Oh my gosh.
When it's over, some
People in Nepal will be, yoo! Oh my god, I'm proud of him. People from Nepal, be proud of him, guys. His life will change forever after this audition. I tell you. He's a bit nervous from a little
I
bit
can feel
only,
the
yeah.
nervousness
A little bit, but his voice is kind of remind me
Kind of rusky.
Husky.
Husky voice, yeah.
Yeah, it kind of remind me about, remember the American Idol guitarist that we what's his name? Andrew? No.
Adam?
No, the one that plays guitar just last year.
I forgot.
I forgot to.
The Mexican.
Oh!
Remember? Okay, let's think about it. Let's think about it. The looks of him, he's so humble. If you get, because sometimes you can see if you see the person, that if the person is arrogant, if they know that they're talented,
Right.
they're gonna show that they're arrogant and something like
But
that.
him is not like
Him is like, he's so humble on the face
Yeah.
that
he doesn't know that he's that good.
yeah, like the sincerity on his voice is really good. I'm still thinking about the name of the last contestant. Andrew, Granada, or I don't know.
Canada.
Yeah, I think so.
You
Yeah.
know what,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
He's good also. I mean,
Angelina?
No, I get the same feeling about Arthur. Woo! Congrats,
Yeah.
Arthur
Gunn.
Gunn.
Or
Dibesh, yeah, means what's the meaning of his
yeah.
name? The best. He's the best. No, let us know in the comment section what does it mean in
Dibesh.
Nepal. Dibesh. Though he's the best. So, do you see what I did there? Yeah.
I
Okay.
get it now.
Yeah. So guys, if you want to
He's
watch
the
the
best.
judges' comments and the first
And the
song, the whole video,
without our reaction.
we're gonna
the
link it.
is on the comment section.
Description.
Oh, description.
Description section. Okay, everything should be
He's
there.
the best.
So, yeah, I know he's the best, huh? So, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this future star performance,
Click the thumbs up button and the like button.
and if you have any more videos of him singing other songs, let us know in the comment section, okay? And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Always remember,
Be kind, be happy, and always keep smiling.
always keep smiling, guys.